Looking for a tablet that's not just for watching videos but powerful enough for real work and creativity? Well, get ready to meet the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus. Yoga Tab Plus comes with a gorgeous 12.7-inch 3K screen, hitting up to 900 nits of brightness, meaning outdoor use is no problem. Smooth scrolling and gaming? No worries, thanks to the 144Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, one of the fastest Android processors right now, paired with 16 GB RAM. Everything feels lightning fast, from multitasking to video editing. You get 256 GB of ultra-fast UFS 4.0 storage, perfect for saving your work, apps, and big files. Lenovo includes a premium keyboard stand and the Tab Pen Pro for free, perfect for notes, sketching, or working on documents. On the camera side, you're getting dual 13-megapixel shooters on both front and back, and even a macro lens for close-up shots. Privacy lens cover included for peace of mind. The build feels super premium, with a seashell finish that's stylish yet professional. If you want a tablet that works and plays hard, the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus is 100% worth it.